Welcome to Devices Setup, and today we will learn how to resolve Chamberlain hub not connecting to the Wi-Fi. So we will try different fixes for this problem, and definitely one of these methods will work for you. So first and foremost, the most basic and important one is to reboot your devices. So unplug your modem, your router, your Chamberlain hub from power, and then plug them back in after 60 seconds, and then try the setup again. Secondly, try plugging the Chamberlain hub closer to the Wi-Fi router at location where you get strong Wi-Fi signals. If Wi-Fi connectivity is an issue, then we recommend you to either set up a Wi-Fi extender which will extend your Wi-Fi, or you can get mesh Wi-Fi system which will make sure you have strong Wi-Fi throughout your house. Next, make sure your router or any additional firewall or MAC filtering is not blocking the hub. Then make sure you have updated your MyQ app and Chamberlain to its latest firmware. Watch video given in the description to learn how to do it. Next, make sure you have granted location access, Bluetooth access, and other permissions to the app. Next, log in into your router and try changing the security type from WPA to WPA2 or WPA3. And if you don't know how to log in into the router, then watch video given in the description. Moreover, make sure your Wi-Fi password doesn't have any special characters, as sometimes the MyQ app might not be able to recognize those special characters. So we recommend you to customize that password to something simple. Moreover, if your network Wi-Fi SSID have any special character or extra spaces, then try changing the SSID to something simple too. Watch video given in the description to learn how to do it. Next, once logged in into the router's web management page, you can also try changing your router's 2.4 GHz channels to 1, 6, 9 or 11, and then try the setup again. Next, make sure you have not turned on VPN on your cell phone on which you are using this app, and if in case it's active, then kindly turn it off. Next, we recommend you to reset your smart garage hub by pressing the gear icon on the hub until you see a blinking blue light. While you do so, make sure the hub should be plugged in into a power source. After this, release the gear button and then try the setup again. Next, once the hub is blinking blue, then use your phone and go to its Wi-Fi list, and there you will find MyQ Network SSID showing up in your Wi-Fi list. It will come up as MyQ some digits, so tap on it to connect to it. Once connected, tap on the information icon or settings icon showing up in front of this MyQ-XSX network. Next, scroll down and note down the IP address of the MyQ device that it shows there. You will then have to open a browser on the same phone, and into the URL or address bar, type this IP address and hit enter. As you do that, it will open your MyQ Hub web interface. So there, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Moreover, make sure you only type this IP address into the URL and not into the search bar. Plus, your phone should be connected to MyQ-some digits Wi-Fi SSID. Lastly, if you found this video useful, then please do hit like and subscribe to support my channel. Thank you.